In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a new tab in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this by selecting the Chrome icon from your desktop, taskbar, dock, or applications menu, depending on the device you are using. Once Chrome opens, you will see the browser window and any tabs that are currently open across the top. Now look at the top area of the Chrome window where your tabs appear. Tabs are the small sections near the top that show the pages you have open. To create a new one, find the plus icon. It appears as a small plus sign next to your last open tab. Click that plus icon once. As soon as you do, Chrome will open a brand new tab. You will usually see the new tab page appear right away. From there, you can type a website address into the address bar or enter a search term to start browsing. If you already had several tabs open, the new tab will appear at the end of that row. This helps keep your browsing organized and gives you a fresh space to open another page. It is a quick action, but it can save time when you are doing research, comparing sites, or working on more than one task at once. One helpful tip is to make sure you are clicking the plus icon at the top of the browser window, not a button inside a website. The correct icon is part of Chrome itself and sits directly beside your open tabs. That is all you need to do. Open Google Chrome, click the plus icon next to your last tab, and your new tab will be created. That covers everything you need to know.